Hi students, this is Ashok Kumar MC, Faculty of Computer Science. Dear students, today I will explaining how to write simple Java program and how to compile and run Java program on our computer. Dear students, if you want to write Java program, we must and should need to install JDK on our computer. On my previous video, I already explained how to install Java and how to set path, Java path on our computer. Dear students, now I am explaining a simple Java program on our computer. Dear students, if you want to write Java programs, you can create a simple folder to store all of the programs of our Java. Then here I am going to my computer. Then after choosing drive E, here I was creating a folder, simple folder with my name Ashoka. Okay, so enter that folder. Now I am in folder my computer on E drive and Ashoka. So all of the files will be saved on this Ashoka folder. Okay, then move to run. It will be available on start button. Then after on search option, you can type CMD and press enter key. It will open say command prompt like this. Okay students, it opens a command prompt like this. You can stay here. Then after go to start button. Again on search option, you can type notepad. Open the notepad and write here simple Java program. Look here, class. AK. Public static void में string AK. System dot out dot print. Welcome to Java world. Then close the main. Look here students, here class name, then after class opening, after that this is the main function, public static void main, and string, keep here as capital string AK. It is the command line argument. If you want to write welcome to Java world, it is the printf statement. System dot out dot print. System is a package name, out is a class name, and print is a method name. Okay, this is main method. Method nothing but a function. Main closing and class closing. Then after you can save this file. Go to file, save, then choose the drive E and choose the folder Ashoka and give here name. What is the class name? AK. So ak.java. Okay, and click on save button. The file will be saved with the Java extension. Once look at the Ashoka folder. Look here, that file is saved on this folder. Now if you want to compile this program, you can open the command window. Where the file is located? File is located on E drive and Ashoka folder. Then move to the drive E. Now the command prompt is in C drive. So if you want to move the drive E, then just simply type E colon. Then it automatically moves the drive E. Now if you want to move Ashoka folder, then type the command cd means change directory, and Ashoka. Look here. Now we are E drive and Ashoka folder. Now view the file also located in this folder. So now we need to compile that file. So what is the compile command? Look here. If you want to compile, java c space filename.java, or file name is ak. Look here, our file name is ak. So you can type here java, java c space ak dot java. Here not displaying any errors. If you compile successfully, it will look here on Ashoka folder. This is a class file. Class file means nothing but a binary code file. Okay. Whenever Java file is compiled, it will create automatically a class file. Class file nothing but a binary code file. With the help of that binary code, the Java program will run. Okay, successfully compiled our program. So now we want to run that program. If you want to run that program, what is the command? Java, no need to see, Java space file name, only file name ak. Look here, welcome to Java world. Okay, it is a simple program. Dear student, once look here. First, if you want to write a Java program, you can type the program using notepad. Next, that file will be saved with Java extension on our folder. Then after, you can open the command prompt, then move to that folder. Then after, you can compile that program using java c space filename.java. Here java c space ak is the file name. So java c space ak.java, it will automatically compiles. If the program have any errors, that errors here displaying, you can rectify that errors again, save, then after compile that program on this command window. Whenever it is compile that program, it will create a class files. Then after, if you want to run that Java program, you can type Java space file name. Here file name is ak. Here displaying the output of the program.